Hello boys and girls, we have now drawn our geyser, so now we want to code our geyser to look like it is moving and showing that animation. So the first thing we want to do is we are going to code our person, and remember you're going to come over here, add your event, and he or she or whoever your character is going to say, we are at Yellowstone waiting for the geyser to erupt. Okay, so we're kind of just doing our introduction. So we know where we are and what we're doing. So now I'm going to come over here. Now, I don't want to start here. This is my this is the final stage. So the first thing I want to do is when I grab my flag, I'm going to go to my looks and I'm going to tell it to switch the costume to geyser, just the very first one. So now when we do that, it starts here. Okay, so now I'm going to be using a forever loop. So you're going to come down here to your loops, bring out your forever loops, and once again, now this time I can just say next costume, or next not backdrop. Let's debug that. I want to say costume, next costume, because I'm talking about the sprite. So now I'm going to click my thing, and that's happening really fast. So I want to debug that again, and I'm just going to add a small wait in there, like a half of a second. And now when I hit play, okay, so I want the geyser to wait until he's done talking. So he talks for 2 seconds. So to debug that, I know I need to come over here and add a wait 2 seconds before it goes off. And out of just good habit, it is good to get into the practice of placing this where you want it to be and then putting your XY position. So that way it always starts in the same spot and you don't have to worry about it getting moved around. So now now let's look. And now you see after he stops talking, now the geyser is starting to go up. And then it's on a forever loop, so it's going to keep repeating over and over and over again. Then the other thing we could do is you could put a wait here for maybe put like a 2 second wait here and have him say something else like, wow, that's amazing, or something like that. So in this project, you have an erupting geyser here at Yellowstone. And the really cool thing about this one is you could add other animations. You could add animals in the background, or you could add clouds going by. So you could add other animations to make this project a little bit more interesting and cool. But even if you don't add those things, the geyser itself is really amazing. Hope you have fun.